Now coming to packaging. During packaging stage, as we visualize and we consider one bivalent to follow what happens during packaging, let us consider one bivalent. Already the bivalents with 2 chromosomes and each chromosome with 2 chromatids, and now during packaging they are very clearly visible, and this is that synaptonymal complex, no doubt. So, now as we see that bivalent which is with synaptonymal complex, okay, there in the bivalent, this is one bivalent, let us follow. What happens during packaging, let us see. And during packaging, there in the bivalent, the 4 chromatids are clearly visible. During zygotine, of course, each chromosome with 2 chromatids and a bivalent with 4 chromatids, no doubt, but they are not clearly visible during zygotine, because zygotine is early prophase, no much condensation of chromosomes, they are elongated. So, their chromatids are not clearly visible during zygotine. But now during packaging, we consider it as mid prophase, okay, and more condensation of the chromosomes, and they become short and thick, and the chromatids are clearly visible. So, in one bivalent, how many chromosomes are there? 2 chromosomes. How many chromatids are there? 4 chromatids. Each chromosome with 2 chromatids, no? So, totally 4 chromatids are there. Are they clearly visible? Yes, they are very clearly visible. Of course, a bivalent with 4 chromatids right from the beginning, from zygotine onwards, but during zygotine they are not clearly visible, but now during packaging they are clearly visible, and due to that clear visibility, as we can follow 4 chromatids in the bivalent under microscope during packaging stage, and now the bivalents are called tetrads. The same bivalent we refer during packaging as tetrads. Okay, one bivalent is one tetrad. So, how many tetrads will be there if, as we consider this example, and the myocyte with 4 chromosomes and 2 bivalents, and during packaging how many tetrads will be there? 2 tetrads equal to number of bivalents, because each bivalent now just referred as tetrad. So, tetrad is nothing but a bivalent. One bivalent, one tetrad. But why it is now newly called as tetrad? Due to clear visibility of the 4 chromatids in a bivalent during packaging stage, due to more condensation of the chromosomes, so that they referred as tetrads. So, if it is the human gamete mother cell, how many tetrads will be there during packaging? And of course, 23 tetrads. Tetrad is nothing but bivalent. Okay, during zygotine stage we referred them as bivalents. At that time 4 chromatids in the bivalent are not clearly visible, but during packaging, as the 4 chromatids in the bivalent are clearly visible, so they are referred as tetrads. Okay. So, tetrad number and bivalent number is the same. Now, and an important event, and I can say that packaging is a very important event, and it shows evolutionary significance. The main essence of prophase 1 of meiosis 1, that is genetic recombinations, okay, and that event occur during packaging only.